In this video, I will show you how to create a digital seller account on Etsy. First, open your Etsy account and make sure you are logged in. Then click on the shop icon. As you can see, you can join their marketplace for unique and creative goods where special items with a human touch shine. You can make your shop uniquely yours by telling them a bit about yourself. You can open your shop and pay a one-time USD $15 setup fee. You can get this fee back after your first sale. Now let us click on Let's Do This. Here you need to select what brings you to Etsy. Then click on Next. Here you need to choose as many topics as you want. They will share resources to help you grow. After that, click on Next. Now tap on Start Your Shop. Here you need to select the shop language. Then select Shop Country. After that, select Shop Currency. Then click on Save and Continue. Here you need to enter your shop name. Then click on Save and Continue. Next, you need to tell them about your listing. Select the category. Then select what type of item it is, like physical or digital. Then select who made it, like you, a member of your shop, another company or person. Next, select what it is, like a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Then you need to select when it was made. You can also add production partners. Then click on Save and Continue. Here you need to enter the title that buyers would use to search for the item. From here, you can add photos and videos. You can also add a description and personalization. Here you can add the price, then add the quantity. You can add variations from here if your item is offered in different colors, sizes, materials, and etc. You can add primary and secondary colors. You can also add shape, color, style, and function. After entering all the necessary details like how you will get paid and sharing your billing info and shop security, your digital seller account on Etsy has been created. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Etsy. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.